Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's play who to the cookie game, okay? One. Olivia. 1, 2, 3. Who to the cookie from the cookie jar? Martin to the cookie from the cookie jar. Yes, you. And you say? No, you say not me. And everybody? Then who? You choose a friend. Belen? Belen to the cookie? Okay. Who to the cookie from the cookie jar? Belen to the cookie from the cookie jar. Who? Me? Not me. Then who? Elena. Who to the cookie from the cookie jar? Elena to the cookie from the cookie jar. And you say, then who? Joanna to the cookie? Okay. Who to the cookie from the cookie jar? Joanna to the cookie from the cookie jar. Anybody? Yes, you. And you say, very good. Then who? Daniel to the cookie? Okay. Who to the cookie from the cookie jar? Daniel